Guys, what's up? This is George Go. I am from the social media site, and this video is going to be a tech tip of the week video. So, the tech tip of the week is every week I'm going to upload videos about technology and give you some tips about technology on a Mac and PC if I can get my hands on a PC machine. Okay, so enough talking about that. Let's roll the intro. So welcome back. Hope you guys didn't go anywhere and just continue to stay here for the next 10 minutes. I'll probably be short. Okay, so this video is actually going to be about how to store files from your Mac, from your PC, Mac, PC, whatever, to the cloud. Okay, using different services for free. And there's also a special free edition of a 1 terabyte of storage free for Puritan students, Puritan School students, if you are enrolled in a Puritan school, ranging from elementary school up until secondary school, obviously. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And yeah, so the first off I'm going to show you is basically, I've got it all pre-open. Apple iCloud. Apple iCloud comes with your Mac, iPhone, iPad, and you can create your own account, and automatically when you create your iCloud account, it actually links to your Apple ID, so you don't actually need to not necessarily create a new account, but using your existing Apple ID and obviously link it into OneCloud, otherwise you won't be able to access it. So the website for OneCloud is apple.com/OneCloud. There's a description of all OneCloud services that are available and all of the prices, ranging from $0 up until $19 a month, $19.99 a month, to $20 a month, basically. So pretty expensive for 1 terabyte of storage. Actually, Microsoft offers it much cheaper than Apple. But anyway, regardless of that, you get 5 gigabytes for free. And also, they have iCloud Drive, also available on your Mac, you can download on your PC, iPad, and iPhone also. I'm not sure iPod, but anyway, who cares about that? And blah 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 blah, all of that. You can click on any of these tabs to set up on different operating systems, iOS, Mac, or PC. And then the next service, by the way, these are all services I have. So the next service is Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive has 15 gigabytes for free, so that's really nice. I also have offers. I'm going to show you after I explain all of the features in this OneDrive. If you really get in this wonderful cloud service, you get Office Online included. Yeah, that's so good. Basically you get Office Online included. You can edit your files online if you cannot afford a version of Office. Okay. What else is there? Okay, so 15 gigs, and this is how to get 1 gig more space. Go to plans, and it'll tell you how to get more space. You can earn an extra 15 gigabytes when you pack up your camera roll. I'm not sure if you can do it on a Mac, but for sure you can do it on your PC. That's good. And plus a maximum of 5 gigabytes, 500 megabytes for each friend you refer, up to 10 friends for a maximum of 5 gigabytes. So this is pretty good. And if you look at the pricing, actually, screw up, the 1 terabyte is $6.99 a month, includes Office 365, okay, which is much more cheaper than Apple's iCloud, which does not include iWork for free. You have to buy it separately. I don't know what Apple wants to do. So the next service is Google Drive. This is Google Drive. Google Drive is basically a file system per se that can store your email. This comes with 15 gigabytes for free, but you can upgrade obviously for an extra cost, right? So this is it. And this, if you have a Google account, Gmail account, what have you, a Google Plus account, what have you, you have Google Drive. So this is pretty good. What I like about Google is that it's all streamlined. Whether you have mail, calendar, mail, YouTube, or Google Plus, you have it for free for all of the services offered by Google. The next one is obviously OneDrive. Not OneDrive, Dropbox. Dropbox offers 2 gigabytes of free storage only. That's the disadvantage. But regardless of that, you get it for free. And this is what I recommend. You sign up for all of these services: iCloud, OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox, and store files until they are full. You know what I mean? So once the iCloud runs out, OneCloud space runs out, you can just have a OneDrive account, and you can store your OneDrive files, and then so on until all of them run out, right? Which you can obviously delete after. Yeah, so kind of disadvantage for Dropbox is it only has 2 gigabytes of free storage available to users. And so the only users I do not recommend that you install these clients is that if you have Word, Office, PowerPoint, PowerPoint, Outlook, the Office suite basically. I do not recommend you install the OneDrive client. But for me, for people like me that want to store every single thing on their PC rather being movies, things like that, you can also store it on your OneDrive account. That's what people recommend it for. But if you open up Word, hurry up Word. Taking forever to load. So if you do open up Word, you can add in service if you only plan to use the storage for Word documents only. Word documents, not OneDrive, because not Pages, not Keynote, iWork Suite, because they will automatically save to your iCloud. Okay, that's what I mean. So once you are on this page, if you are once again planning to use OneDrive for Word documents only, the Office documents only, go to the profile page. You should be signed in already, and then on the connected services is a plus button, and then you can add a OneDrive or OneDrive for Business account, obviously. And I'll just close out of that. And then the last one I'm going to show you is exclusively only available to Pure District School Board students, faculty, and other staff. You know what I mean, right? So this page is what I'm talking about. If you are part of the Pure District School Board, if you are currently enrolled in a secondary school that is run by Pure District School Board, which is in Mississauga, Callan, and Brampton, then you are eligible for this. Otherwise, you're not eligible for this, because I don't know how you get it for the Pure Catholic District School Board. Anything else, I don't know how to do it. So you need to have you need to be enrolled in this school board in order to use this wonderful service. So log into, once again, if you have it, that's great. If you don't, then just too bad. You can opt. You can stop the video over here. But if you are interested in finding out how to get 1 terabyte of storage, then keep on watching this video. So go to byd.pureschools.org, and then type in username, password, and then click on sign in. You may change your password, and then under the learning tab you can see OneDrive, and this is OneDrive for Business, by the way. You cannot sign in with the regular OneDrive, so this is OneDrive for Business. If it does load here. And yeah, I don't think you can use the storage, but this is 1 gig. These are 1 gigabyte of storage. I would say, which is kind of nice. You can upload, you can make a new file, you can sync it, right? It's all really good. And by the way, to check if you're eligible for the free Office 365 education account, go to this website. Just Google Office for Education. Office for Education is spelled incorrectly. And then click on the first link. And then you have to scroll down until you see find out if you're eligible. Click on that. And then enter your school email address. In my case is this. ESP.org. You already have an account, so that's great, right? So that's a good tool to find out if your school is eligible for this free thingamajig. So that's going to conclude my video, and hope you enjoy this video. I'm making more videos like this every week. This is George Cole. See you in the next one. Signing out.